Hey there! Life's a bit of a whirlwind, isn't it? But let me tell you, there are some simple ways to slow things down a bit and savor the sweet moments. Let's dive into the world of slow living together. Morning mindfulness rituals. Picture this: the sun tenderly caressing your face while you hold a comforting cup of warm tea in your hands. I once read, "Drink your tea slowly and reverently, as if it is the axis on which the world Earth revolves, slowly, evenly, without rushing toward the future." Take a few minutes in the morning to savor your tea or coffee and set a positive tone for the day. Wake up with the sun. There's something magical about waking up with the world. As the first light seeps through the curtains, take a moment to appreciate the quiet beauty of a new day. As E.B. White once said, "I wake up every morning with an excitement I've had since I was a kid. What am I going to do today?" Gratitude greeting. Before even setting foot out of bed, think of 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the warmth of your blanket or the aroma of coffee waiting for you. Gratitude, as David Steindl-Rast notes, turns what we have into enough. Mindful hydration. Start your day by hydrating your body. Instead of mindlessly chugging down a glass of water, hold it in your hands, feel the coolness, and savor each sip. It's like giving your body a gentle wake-up call. Tea or coffee meditation. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or a coffee connoisseur, treat the preparation and consumption as a mindful ritual. Feel the warmth of the cup, inhale the aroma, and sip slowly. Take inspiration from Thich Nhat Hanh. Drink your tea slowly and reverently, as if it is the axis on which the world Earth revolves, slowly, evenly, without rushing toward the future. Gentle stretching or yoga. Engage your body with gentle stretches or a short yoga session. It doesn't have to be an elaborate routine, just a few minutes to awaken your muscles and connect with your breath. As the saying goes, the pose begins when you want to leave it. Mindful breathing. Take some time to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, feel the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly. It's a simple practice that grounds you in the present moment. As Buddha said, "The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, worry about the future, or anticipate troubles, but to live in the present moment wisely and earnestly." Set intentions for the day before diving into the hustle and bustle. Set positive intentions for the day. Think about what you want to achieve and how you want to feel. This small act can be a compass, guiding you through the day's adventures. Nature connection. If possible, take a moment to step outside. Feel the earth under your feet, breathe in the fresh air, and listen to the sounds of nature. It's a serene reminder of the world awakening alongside you. Mindful shower or bath. Turn your shower or bath into a sensory experience. Feel the water against your skin, revel in the scent of your soap, and let the warmth envelop you. It's a mini escape that prepares you for the day ahead. Remember, these morning mindfulness rituals are your personal overture to a beautiful day. Take your time, enjoy the rituals, and let each one be a gentle reminder to savor the richness of the present moment. Tech Detox Hour. We're all guilty of being glued to our screens. But trust me, the world won't crumble if you unplug for an hour. Set aside some time each day to detach from technology. I like to take a leisurely stroll or immerse myself in a good book. As John Lubbock wisely said, "Rest is not idleness," and to lie sometimes on the grass under trees on a summer's day, listening to the murmur of the water or watching the clouds float across the sky, is by no means a waste of time. Tech Detox is a rejuvenating escape from the digital frenzy. Unplug for an hour daily, let go of screens, and rediscover the world around you. Embrace the peace, creativity, and clarity that bloom when you disconnect. As you detach, you'll find a sanctuary for reflection, authentic connections, and a mindful recharge. Nourishing Meals. Nourishing meals are a daily celebration of self-care. Choose whole, vibrant foods, relish each bite mindfully. Cooking becomes a mindful ritual, an expression of love for your body. These moments at the table are not just about sustenance, but an opportunity to savor the simplicity and richness of life. Eating isn't just about filling your stomach, it's a chance to nourish your body and soul. Try to savor each bite. As the saying goes, chew your food, not your worries. Prepare simple, wholesome meals and relish the flavors. It's a great way to appreciate the present moment. Mindful walking. Remember the last time you took a walk without a destination in mind? It's a beautiful experience. I often find inspiration in the words of Henry David Thoreau. An early morning walk is a blessing for the whole day. So put on your favorite shoes and take a stroll, letting your mind wander where your feet take you. The art of saying no. The art of saying no is a powerful act of self-care. It's not a rejection, but a boundary-setting tool. By declining what doesn't align with your priorities, you create space for genuine passion and meaningful connections. As Warren Buffett wisely said, the difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. Our schedules can become overwhelming. It's okay to say no sometimes. As Anne Lamott wisely notes, no is a complete sentence. Don't overcommit. Give yourself the space to breathe and enjoy the things that truly matter. Create a cozy corner. Find a cozy nook at home, a spot where you can escape and unwind. Fill it with things that bring you joy, whether it's a soft blanket, a good book, or a flickering candle. This space is your refuge, a reminder to slow down and enjoy life's simple pleasures. Embrace Jomo, joy of missing out. Jomo, the joy of missing out, is a liberation from the overwhelming pace of modern life. It's a conscious choice to embrace solitude, relishing the beauty of simplicity. In a world fixated on FOMO, Jomo encourages contentment in one's own company. As Socrates said, an unexamined life is not worth living. Jomo invites introspection, celebrating the richness found in moments of quiet, free from external pressures. It's a mindful rebellion, an affirmation that true joy arises not from perpetual activity, but from savoring the present and finding fulfillment in the authenticity of one's choices. Jomo isn't about isolation, but about curating experiences that resonate with personal values. It's an intentional pause to appreciate the now and find joy in meaningful connections. As Albert Einstein expressed, a calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success, combined with constant restlessness. Jomo invites a shift from quantity to quality, fostering a sense of completeness in the present. It's a reminder that the richness of life isn't solely in what's gained, but in what's truly experienced and cherished. So embrace Jomo, the art of being present, content, and authentically yourself. Connect with nature. Connecting with nature is a soul-nourishing dance with the universe. It's not merely a stroll, but an immersion in the symphony of life. As Rachel Carson beautifully said, "Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts." Nature offers a sanctuary for introspection and rejuvenation. Whether it's a forest, a park, or a quiet backyard, time spent outdoors fosters a deep, grounding connection. The rustling leaves, the whispering breeze, each element becomes a gentle reminder of our place in the intricate tapestry of existence, urging us to slow down and appreciate the profound simplicity of the natural world. Mother Nature has a way of slowing things down. Take a moment to step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and marvel at the beauty around you. As John Muir aptly puts it, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Unwind with a digital sunset. As the day winds down, create a digital sunset. Power down your devices at least an hour before bedtime. Let your mind ease into relaxation mode. As you disconnect from the digital world, you'll find that your connection with yourself deepens. Reflect and express gratitude. Before drifting off to sleep, reflect on your day. What moments brought you joy? What are you grateful for? Take a few minutes to jot down your thoughts in a gratitude journal. It's a simple practice, but as Melody Beatty says, gratitude turns what we have into enough. Remember, incorporating slow living into your daily routine is a journey, not a destination. Take small steps, enjoy the process, and savor the beauty of each moment.